The Nurburgring-based Manthey Racing team has unveiled its first 992 generation performance kit, a track pack for the Porsche 911 GT3, and the headline news is that it looks like a corker. Manthey Racing, of course, is the outfit that's given us a racier version of the GT3 RS, plus a hardcore Cayman GT4 and GT4 Clubsport in the last 18 months. The 911 GT3 has been given similar treatment, with a 4-way adjustable suspension kit, a light-away toe M1 rim set and upgraded brakes consisting of new pads and braided brake lines. The aero has been enhanced too with the addition of a front splitter, a rear diffuser, a carbon rear wing and those speaker-esque rear axle aerodiscs. Extensive testing took place at the Nurburgring, obviously, although the firm claims that emphasis was also put on the car's road-going abilities, thus enabling customers to make relaxed trips to track days in their GTEs. So in other words, it should preserve the integrity of your spine. The first performance kit for a new model series is always something special, and I am very proud that we're now able to present the initial results, said Manthey Racing's managing director, Nicholas Redder. During fine-tuning runs, the production model lapped the Nordschleife, the traditional benchmark for all sports cars, 17 seconds faster than its predecessor. That's really impressive, and I can't wait to see how fast the car will be with the Manthey Performance Kit. Crikey, Stefan Mages, the company's head of development, added, "The team at Porsche in Wasatch presented us with a big challenge when they produced the new GT3. Our goal of improving the performance of the Porsche GT models even further for track use, without making too many changes to the car's essential DNA, and, at the same time, coming up with an attractive package for customers who love to drive on the track, has meant a lot of work for us with the new model." Alongside the performance, "I'm also really pleased with the car's appearance." The price of the pack hasn't been disclosed, but Manthey Racing says it'll be available in the second quarter of 2022, and the manufacturer's warranty isn't affected either. Win-win.